Good morning, Indian Head Braves. My name is Mrs. Barrow and I am the computer teacher. I'm so excited to be making this video because next week is Computer Science Week and you will be doing an hour of coding. So I am here to show you how you do that. The first thing you are going to do is log in to Office 365. You are then going to click onto the waffle, which is also known as the app launcher. Go down to all the apps and then scroll down until you find Clever. Now on your computer, when you log in to Clever, you're going to get 4 different colored squares. Click on the 4 different colored squares and then you'll get into Clever. So in here we have a number of apps which has also been purchased by Charles County, and here we have code. When you get into code, you will see that I've already assigned you a lesson. So you will just start the lesson. I'm going to click on course A, which is for my kindergartners. And you'll see that the first lesson talks about safety in my online neighborhood. It is called Unplugged because you are just going to listen to a video. Once you've listened to the video, then you will move on to lesson number 2. So lesson number 2, you can see I've already done exercise number 1 and number 2. And then I would continue. So every time I've done it correctly, it will be dark green. So I'm going to go back to lesson number 1. So in here it tells me to click on the block. So all I have to do is click on the apple. And then I can continue. This is a self-paced lesson. That means you go at your own speed. I understand that you might not be able to read all of the words, but if you go over to the right hand side, you'll see that there is a speaker, and if you click on it, it will actually tell you what you need to do, and then you can just click on OK. So drag the block on top of the block, and then I can move on. So again, you'll see at the top, I've done lesson number 1 and number 2, and I've done it correctly, so it's going to take me all the way through. Now, if you jump from one lesson to another, it's not going to help you because then you're not going to know, because you are not following the steps, you are not going to know what to do. So I would like you to make sure that you go in a sequence. In sequence means you go from 1, 2, 3, all the way through to 12. So for kindergarten, you can see I have got all the way down to the bottom. There are 12 lessons in group A. So you're just going to take your time. So the more you move on, it gets a little bit harder. But guess what? I know you can do it. So for your hour of code, I would like you to have fun. And then just every so often go in and play with your coding. Have fun. Bye.